Hi guys, so today actually I didn't plan anything, but one of my friends um, actually gave me this log question taken from a Singapore book. I felt this question was very interesting because I also couldn't do it. Yes, actually I took me some tries and I had to look through the mark scheme just to make sure I was right because yeah, it was quite tough. Okay, but anyways, the question goes like this. So part A, show x squared plus 4y squared equals to 12xy can be written so in x plus 2y is equals to 4 root xy. That's my first part. The second part, it says that hence solve, and then it gives you this log base 4 x plus 2y squared minus ln root x ln 2 minus log 16y squared. Okay, if you like, you can give this a go. So this question was a Singapore question. It took me a lot of tries to only get this how to do, and yeah, it was torturing. So anyways, I will be showing the solution. So let's do part A first. So part A says, show that x squared plus 4y squared equals to 12xy can be written in x plus 2y is equals to 4 root xy. So this part, it means CTS from what I see. So what I'm gonna do, x squared plus 4y squared, I'm going to CTS it. So CTS, you will realize you'll get x plus 2y squared and then minus something. But this time, we don't write this. So I'm just going to write minus something only. But I know it's 2y, but yeah, don't write it. Trust me. So what would I do in the end? I will expand this. You'll get x squared plus 4xy plus 2y and 2y, 4y squared. So realize you have two terms here, x squared and 4y squared. So x squared plus 4y squared, the question told us is 12xy. So I can substitute it back, 12xy plus 4xy. So this part equals to 16xy. Alright, and then from here I can say that x plus 2y squared is equals to 16xy. So x plus 2y is equals to the square root of 16xy. So using the properties of square root is equals to root 16 times root xy. Simplify this, x plus 2y is equals to 4 root xy. Show. So this part is still okay, it's still tackable, but the second part is the torture one. Alright, so yeah, so I made this, then yeah, I just shown this part. So let's look at the second question. So it says that hence solve log 4. Let me just rewrite it real quick. So it says that hence solve log 4 x plus 2y squared minus ln root x over ln 2 minus log 16y squared. And then I am given that x plus 2y is equals to 4 root xy. Okay. So what I can do, I can substitute this into this thing. This part, So let me just rewrite this real quick. I'm gonna substitute log 4 bracket 4 root xy square minus ln, I'm gonna straight away change to log base e root x over log base e 2 minus log 16, this one just copy down first. Okay, then I'm gonna expand this. When I expand this, you will get log 4 and then 16xy minus, copy the whole thing again, over log e2 minus log 16y squared. So from here I can separate this part using the properties of log. The properties of log tells us that log, when base a and then I have b multiplied by c is equals to log ab plus log ac. So I can simplify this to log 4 16 plus log 4 xy minus log e root x over log e2 minus log 16y squared. This part simplifies to 2, so I'm just gonna bracket this 2. Alright, I have this part, which is good, but there's still something I'm missing. So what I can do, right, this one I'm just gonna simplify this to 2. I will change this whole thing to base of 2. So there's a formula that eventually tells us that log AB is equals to log CB over log CA, where C is a different base. So yeah, from here it's going to be very long. 2 plus, so this one you will get log base 2 xy and then log 2 4, and then this part you will get log e root x. So that means I'm gonna take log e root x, so I have to change the base of both of them. So actually I'm gonna change the base of 2. How about we try this part, we don't change, just change this and this. So minus log 2 y squared over log 2 16 minus, copy again, log e root x over log e 2. So I need more space, give me a second. So from here I can simplify. This part is equals to 2, this part is equals to 4. So this one I can move it down because there's a formula, log ABC equals to C log AB. So 2 plus log 2xy over 2 minus 2 log 2y over 4 minus log e root x over log e2. So from here I need more space. I have to take, I can do like this, I can cross this, so I'll get 1 and 2. So now what's going to happen? So this part I can actually further simplify. So how do I further simplify? I can make it 2 plus log 2xy, sorry, log 2x, actually I'm gonna change this again, because according to the formula above, this part. So I'm gonna change this to log 2x over 2 plus log 2y over 2 minus log 2y over 2 minus log e root x over log e2. Okay, then after that, I'm going to cancel these two out. So now I'm left with 2 plus log 2x over 2 minus log e root x over log e2. Okay, so we're pretty much almost done, I can say, but there's one more thing we are on distraction, this e. So you see this both e, right? So these both are technically e. So what I'm going to do, so how about if I do this? So I'm gonna make this let me think. So since I have this, right, so I can rewrite this as 2 plus log 2x, then this part I will put 1 over 2 because this part, minus log e root x, hold on, log e root x over log e2. This one I move it up, 2 plus log 2x power 1 over 2, which I'm just going to write as root x, minus log e root x minus log e2. Yeah, so this part I am going to change to base e. So now I have 2 plus log e root x over log e2 minus log e root x over log e2. You can cancel out both of them, then your final value is 2. So this is how you solve this part. It's quite long, I know. Eventually you'll work out the answer. So what I did, so first part I CTS, so I shown this part. Then I use this value to substitute it. So let's see how many rules I used. So I used 1 rule, 2 rule, 3 rule, 3 rules, 4, actually it's 3 rules in one question. So it's quite a long working, but eventually you'll get the answer, this part. So this question I will post it on my Instagram as well, so if you like to refer, just let me know. So this is a Singapore question, by the way, so if you don't understand, it's fine. If you don't really know how to approach, it's fine, because Singapore questions are meant to be harder. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for my friend. So she actually gave this question to me and lent me this question for me to think, or else I wouldn't know this type of question will exist as well. Alright, so thank you and hope you enjoy.